This video demonstrates how to use a phantom haptic robot during fMRI imaging with an ultimate goal of assessing brain activity during motor tasks in humans. When the robot's arm is manipulated by a subject, precise measurements can be made of the arm position and the force applied by the subject. In order to record fMRI in conjunction with haptic robotic manipulations, it is important to avoid having the robot interfere with the fMRI output by introducing too much electrical noise, and also to avoid damage to the robot from the MRI's magnetic field. To accomplish this, the robot is first encased in an aluminum shielded box. In addition, the shielded robot is attached to an 8-foot effector handle that will be used by the subject during the experiment. The shielding and 8-foot handle minimize the disruptive electrical and magnetic fields when the phantom robot is used with the MR scanner. When a subject is placed in the MRI and manipulates the phantom robot's effector arm via the 8-foot handle, virtual reality experiments can be done of naturalistic reaching, passive displacement of the limb and haptic perception, adaptation learning in varying force fields, and texture identification. Ultimately, this setup can be used to correlate brain activity with movement and planning through functional MRI recordings and kinematic analysis of the robot data.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like using compressed air or water to provide the sensory-motor interaction, is that the haptic robot responds with millisecond latencies, even to complex dynamic objects.
This method can help answer key questions.